We have seen in vowel sound type. What are the alphabet? In that I have mentioned, right, 26 letter, and then 26 letter sound with 44 sounds. How we can split vowel and then consonant, like this we have split it, right? In that vowel, how many vowel types we have seen? That's a vowel sound type I have said, right? Vowel sound type. Exactly. Short sound, long sound. Third type is other vowel. Is schwa. Yes, exactly. R control. The last topic, special vowel. Yes, special vowel, or we call it as a vowel diphthong. These are all very important for the syllable. Without this, you can't do chunking.